Once in a snowy mountain village, there lived a little boy who had no decoration for Christmas. His family was simple and they could not afford shiny ornaments or colorful ribbons. But the boy loved Christmas deeply. One winter day, he walked into the forest and found pine cones lying beneath the tree. He brought them home, he cleaned them, and placed them carefully around the candles. When his family sighed, their teeny home suddenly felt warm, festive, full of love. The villagers visited their home that evening. They were surprised because even though the decoration was simple, it felt more beautiful and meaningful than anything bought from a shop. And from the day on, the village began decorating home with pine cones, not just for beauty, but to remember that Christmas spirits come from the heart. All viewers, hope you are fine, doing well. Today we are stepping into a story woven with the nature, winter, and the quiet magic of Christmas. A story of something simple yet deeply meaningful. The pine cone, small, rustic, natural, but holding a history that reach become thousands of years. Pine cones are among the most loved natural decoration in Christmas home. You will see them on wreath, on garland, in centerpiece, hanging as ornaments, and placed beside warm fireplace. But have you ever wondered why pine cones feel so naturally connected to winter and Christmas? Let's go back in time. Long before Christmas was celebrated as we know it, the people looked to nature to understand the season. In winter, when most trees lost their leaves, evergreen pinecone trees remained green and alive. Even in the coldest month, the ancient people this was a sign of hope, life, and endurance. The pinecone, the seed of the evergreen, become a symbol of life continue, warmth in cold season, hope when days are dark, growth waiting quietly inside stillness. Many ancient cultures believe pine cones represent spiritual awakening, the opening of the mind and heart. So when winter came, pine cones were kept inside home, a reminder that new life always returns. When Christmas tradition grew across Europe, pine cones naturally found their way into celebration. In German village, families decorated their homes with branches, pine board, and pine cones to bring warmth and natural indoor. The decorations were believed to protect the home and bless the winter season. Then came the Christmas tree tradition when people began decorating trees. Pine cones were among the first ornaments because they were easily found, natural, beautiful, and full of symbolic meaning. Over time, pine cones began to represent new beginning, family warmth, and the quiet beauty of winter. Today, pine cones symbolize cozy winter evening, handmade love, the quiet magic of the nature, peace in simple thing. We know add geotrope, fairy lights, natural greenery, golden touches, and soft white snow spray. Yet the meaning remains the same. Christmas is not about the big thing, it's about small warm moments shared with love. So if you find some near you, pick them, hold them, notice their shapes, their layers. They look like teeny wood, slow growing, patience, peaceful. Use them to decorate your home this season. Hang them on the trees, place them in glowing candle or arrangement, create wreath or garland, paint their lip tips with white or gold, wrap them with jute rope for rustic handmade touch. Let your home tell a story, nature, warmth, and the simple beauty of Christmas. Christmas is not just a holiday, it's a feeling, a soft light glowing in the darkness of winter, and Pinecone remind us that even the cursed season, life is waiting to bloom again. Hope you like the video. If you like, so please subscribe my channel. God bless you all. Take care.